everyone, we are back with our new video. In this we will talk about very popular and the famous thing, the THOR Hammer. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First open your designing software to design the hammer. In my case, I am using the Tinkercad. You can also use the other softwares for designing. After designing, save your file in STL format. Now open it in Cura. Here you can adjust its size according to your printer. After adjusting, save your file again. Now your design is ready to convert into final product. After printing, this is how your design will look. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Stay safe, learn online.